Hello riders and nuts! Today on the vlog, it's me and my Sparrow, my Harley Davidson Sportster Iron 883, which is 1200 now, with his big ball kit. I know lots of you can't wait to hear how it is. How it is to ride a bike which is upgraded, and what is the difference between stage 1 that I had before and stage 3 that I have now. I almost did 500 miles since the upgrade. Unfortunately, wasn't able to ride that much. But it is a significant difference, and I want to share that with you today. But as you see, I have my not that many tools, but I hope Simon would be proud of me changing the battery myself. Never done it before. I watched 2 YouTube videos. It doesn't look overcomplicated for a bike builder. So yeah. Okay, so first of all, you're doing those 2 clips. The original Iron 883 clips that I had was unclipping all the time, and some of you might experience that. I had them changed to a Roadster clips at Harley Davidson under the warranty, and now they are so sturdy that it's very hard to undo. And that is my battery. I still have and run the original battery. And since I've upgraded my engine, my battery, a small old battery, couldn't handle it anymore. That's my decision. Or maybe it was a time for it to die. So one day I charged it before the trip, I dressed up with my gear on, and the bike didn't start. So I decided to have a new battery. It does look different from the video. Okay, so that's the main fuse. I'm gonna, yeah. So we're leaving the main fuse in. What if I'll disconnect the battery and we'll start shouting again? I think I need some YouTube again for a different model. Anyway, I'm taking the seat off. Basically what happened, I don't have the right head to take my bolt, the seat bolt off. So I'm a little bit stuck. Called my brother and he might have it. If not, then I have to go to the shop and buy the right tool to take the seat off and to move further with that.
Whether that's an Allen or a tool.
Dave is here to rescue me, to rescue my bolt.
Oh.
That's how far I went with changing the battery. After I tried the bits from my brother, and the bolt wasn't moving at all, I got worried it might get rounded if I'm using a wrong tool. So I messaged Dave, because he gave me that seat bolt a few years ago when mine got stolen in London. Turned out I was doing everything right, just the bolt got rusty and stuck. As Dave lives in the same town, he offered to help. As being a Harley owner, he has loads of experience taking the rusty old bolts out.
The last one I had to do, I had to put a hacksaw through here, yeah, to get it off, and then we got to get mold grips on and try and get the threaded bit out, and that's the nightmare.
Oh dear.
Then the worst, if you can't get that out, you then drill it out and then re-tap it, and put a bigger screw in basically.
Yeah.
So, but it'd be good if we could
just
get it out.
Yeah.
Because when you put them in, I put them in with PTFE, liquid PTFE, and put it in with that, because that's a rubber solution.
Oh, okay.
If this has gone in with Loctite, it's going to be a nightmare. Especially if it's red. It's going to be very difficult.
While I was making coffee, and baking biscuits. I'm kidding. Just making coffee. Dave secretly undone everything.
Yes.
Happy days! Here we go again, just about a month later, after we had a storm and other things happening in the world and locally. I'm back to changing my battery. The weather got better and I really want to ride and I really want to take it to Tom's to have a service done and properly use and try my new engine and do a vlog about it. Stay tuned for that. But as you can see, I got my main fuse out this time. I checked the YouTube video and the secret of that is having your ignition on while you're taking the fuse off, and then your bike is not screaming. So as you see, I have the original battery out, finally. And some bolts were very rusty and hard to get to, like a bracket bolt, for example, it just keeps scrolling but doesn't come up undone. It came undone just enough for me to unhook the top part of the battery bracket and just enough space with my tools to get and undo negative first, and then after I undone the positive, now I'll get the new powerful battery recommended by Tom from House of Thunder, which he said will be the best for my beast.
What do you want?
Hi, Simon. Hi, Simon.
Hello.
I have an issue. I have an issue.
Bless you.
I was.
Are you sneezing or are you saying issues?
Issue. See, that's an issue. Doesn't that look like an issue?
Yeah.
So
That is an issue.
that's my bike, and that is my bike's
Oh.
old. Yeah, and that is my bike's old battery, and it has negative on this side and positive on this side, and that is a new battery, and that has for some reason another way around everything. Why?
That's the wrong way round.
I know. So what should I do?
I should have bought an Australian one.
Why did this happen? Because it said it's Sportster battery.
If the terminal's on the wrong side, then it's for an earlier one.
Okay, so my Sportster turns out is too new for that battery.
Yeah, it's too new.
And it's nothing.
Positives on the.
Is anything I can do with? Is anything I can do with that? Except from buying a new battery and selling this one.
No, you're Rogered.
So basically, I need a new battery.
Yes.
So no riding today.
No riding today. No, why don't you just push it around the car park making brum brum noises?
You're not helping. Can I come on Monday and ride one of your bikes?
No, I'm very proud of you for doing stuff on yourself.
Yeah, see, I even took the old battery out.
Proud of you. battery.
Yeah, but how am I supposed to know? Until I took that one out, I didn't know which way it has to be. On the videos it shows...
You always got to be very careful of the year that you're ordering for. And actually have a look at the picture, that picture of the battery. But what you should have done, really, is got your old battery out first. Had a look, checked the numbers, and then ordered your new battery.
Oh, okay.
That's the right one.
Okay.
Okay, so you haven't done anything wrong. You've ordered the right thing, but the wrong thing.
So I have to order the same thing, but just the right thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Suck it up, buttercup.
Can you call everyone you made a bike for who has a 1200 engine and ask if they need a battery?
I'm going to phone everybody now.
Yeah, phone everybody now. Maybe somebody needs a battery. Tell that it is available in stock in the house. I'm gonna bring it.
And it's only 20 quid.
No, I can't sell it for 20 quid because I can't buy a new one for 20 quid, can I?
It's only, 15 quid?
No, I can't sell it for 15 quid because I can't buy a new one for 15 quid.
Oh.
It's a bit of a monkey business.
Tell them.
I don't know. I need to check how much I paid for it. Because it's never used.
Okay.
It's been in a box.
Well, I'll phone everybody I know, and it will take. It's only 2 phone calls, so it won't take long.
Okay. You can ask Richard. He's nearby.
He's gone home.
Oh, okay. So it's just you.
It's empty in here with me. I'm sorting my Harley out tomorrow because I'm going out for a ride, and I've been working on a motor goods thing.
I want to go for a ride tomorrow.
Oh well, I'll think of you while I'm riding.
How nice of you. I'll see you on Monday.
Okay, see you Monday. Good
See you
night.
on Monday. Thank you. Thanks for your help. Thank you. Bye.
That's alright. How'd you turn this off? How'd you turn this off?
So what happened is, as you can see, I need to order a new battery. The weather is improving and I want to ride and I want to show you guys and I want you to hear the new engine and show you around and talk about the upgraded engine and take it at home. So it's so many plans just collapsed for the weekend. Hello again. It's 17 degrees outside, nearly summer, and I'm still doing my job, still changing the battery. Anyway, I got the right one, I hope so. Container batteries were very nice here in UK, customer service top on. Even though it says on the website you have to compare the new battery that the site recommends with your old battery, I didn't do that and that was my mistake. They still sent me the right one and picked up the old one. I got messages from other people who made exactly the same mistake, and afterwards they checking a few websites for recommendations or comparing it with the existing part, which I would recommend before or after, even after you order it straight away. Don't wait for a couple of months like I did. I fucking did it. My bike is alive. I've changed my battery. I would like to thank my mom and dad and Simon. Oh my god, and everyone helping with this task. No, seriously guys. If everything had been as it's supposed to be, then this is it. Like, I did the actual thing. It's not my fault that the bolt went rusty and I needed some help to take it out. And it's not entirely my fault that I got confused with ordering the battery and I stuck a second time. And again, not having the right tools, it's also not like, not the main job, isn't it? But like, if you have the right tools, I can do it. Do it. You can change your battery yourself. Here we go, here we go. Happy days.